I melt the shit out of this lace. I was not playing. Fuck out of here. This your favorite Liberian girl.
I say, give me your love, I go conquer you. I be your man, I say, don't worry. And we go there together. I say, give me your love, I go conquer you. I be your man, I say, don't worry.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say welcome back. My name is Saygbah and I'm from West Africa. Liberia, of course, the most gorgeous place on the whole planet. On this channel, I do hair installation, try on haul, girls chat, everything that has to do with us, because this is a us thing. It's a we are tag teaming on this channel. Okay, so if this is your first time stopping by to this channel, I just want to say don't forget to support a strong black woman. I don't want to say independent because I'm not independent. I'm doing my thing. Don't kill me if I'm pronouncing this wrong. I believe the hair company is called Imovie. English is not my occupation, okay? But I believe that's how you pronounce. But this is the pack. It is 22 inches long. Now I'll put that information on there. The hair comes in the pack right there. And it comes with this information with the hair on how to take care of the hair, on wash it, and all that good stuff. That's what it came with. This is what the hair came, the pack, 22 inch, and the little bag thing it came in. So this is the deep curly transparent lace frontal, and baby, it was so good to put it on. I loved it. Okay, it is super full. Like the hair is full. Like, oh, you're getting what I'm saying. Their hair is full. It is 180 density. These hair companies just love me with these 180 density hair, okay? Because I love full hair. So I love when I get to do what I want. You know what I'm saying? You give me what I want and we work together. But this hair was so easy to put on. And like, it is super, like right now it is wet. So you can't really see how big it is. If I go throughout a day and get a picture, a video of how big it is, without it being on, well, with it on but dry, I would start a video, okay? But this is the hair, okay? This is it. Like, look at all this. Like, look at all this. Like, look at this. This is deep curly, 22 inch, and it is giving me life, okay? Like, what? Fuck out of here. Like, I love it. I melt the shit out of this lace, okay? I was not playing. Fuck out of here. Okay guys, let's get straight into the video, okay? But before we do, let's take the time to glorify that skin, okay? It's always my skin for me. I don't care what nobody has to say. Anyways, I just drink a lot of water, to be honest. Just drink a lot of water. That's what got my skin looking like this. But let's get into the video. For this video, I decided to be on my bad and bougie and use bold hold. If you're not keeping your hair in for a week, do not try this. And I didn't even keep the hair in for a week. I took it out the same night. But I use bold hold this time, and for that I apply a little bit and use the edge comb and just spread it out on my forehead. With this, it dries out really fast. So baby, please do section by section, okay? I am not a pro at using bold hold, so we just risk it for this video, okay? I just wanted to try something new or something different, but I don't really like it because bold hold is not for me. I would just stay with my spray and keep it pushing. But for this video, it was really simple. It's the same method I use every time, just using the bold hold. And for this hair quality, baby, I'm not playing with y'all. This hair is super full. So if you get in your hair, ladies, if you're not, you should get 180 density or 200. I'm telling y'all, I'm a girl, I love big hair, but this hair satisfies my needs, okay? It was exactly how I wanted it. So again, we do section by section, and if you're using the bold hold, make sure, baby, make sure it dries all the way where it's clear, okay? Don't put your finger in it like I did. Make sure you blow dry it all the way where it's clear, where you can't see nothing at all, okay? I could see a little bit, so I had to take extra time blending that side, okay? Again, section by section, let the bold hold get clear and dry out all the way. that's how I did this hair. And I literally did session by session. In my next video coming up, I'm going to be showing y'all how I bleach and plug my wig instead of us just getting to it all the time when everything is done. I know a lot of people have been asking me for that, but don't. Okay, I'm coming. Take your time. I'm coming. My next video is going to be that. So I literally just did session to session. And yeah, I dropped my comb. I couldn't find it, so I used my razor to do that part. But again, session by session, let it dry before you put the lace in it. Let it dry and let it be clear before you put the lace in it. Okay, that little lace glue that was on the front, it wasn't like, it was by mistake. It wasn't supposed to be on there. So as you see, I just try to wipe it off. But baby girl, session by session, we can all do this. We can learn it together. We don't gotta be paying these hairstylists $200-300 to do our hair. Okay, so let's get into it together. Yes, I talk a lot. Do you think I talk a lot? Okay, so as you can see, when I got done, certain areas was still a little bit not laid down. I need that glue, like my edges, they was still lifting, so I have to go back in there and apply more. And that's it. It's literally so easy. I don't want to say easy because I'm still also learning, but we can all learn this together and teach each other as we go. If y'all have any tips and tricks, please let me know, because this is always an open channel for everybody learning, okay? I'm not a professional at this. I always tell you I'm the homegirl in the basement. So if I can do it, you can do it too. And ladies, y'all should start a YouTube videos if y'all gonna keep watching these videos, okay? Start a YouTube channel. Do the same thing. Teach other people how to do what you do. Everybody has their little method that works. But anyway, when I got done doing that, I try to make a part. I like deep part. I like these type parts because it makes the hair falls right. It just be falling right in your face sometimes. Or sometimes I use my hot comb to redirect it. But the deeper the part, the more it sits in your face. And that little hump in the front, you can use the hot comb to scoop it up front. Wherever you direct your hair with a hot comb, baby, that's where it sits, okay? So, baby, get a hot comb. I'm gonna tell you this in every video. Sis, get you a hot comb. If you don't want your head to burn, put it on your mannequin head. Do all your things before you put it on your head, okay? Get a mannequin head. Hot comb that thing, okay? Hot comb like your life depends on it, okay? That's literally what I do. Once you hot comb, you will love your hair. Hot comb should be your best friend. I have 3 of these things. I have backup for backup for backup. We're not playing in here. And for cutting my lace, like I always tell you, I do 3 sessions, okay? It helps me control what I'm doing, because you know, like I always tell you, we're on this channel, we are learning together. Damn, I can talk. But we are learning together. Do section by section, okay? Section, you have control over it. You don't have to rush. You just take your time and do your thing, okay? And as you go on, whatever that needs fixing, you fix it. That's what I do, okay? On this channel, we are learning. It's always about learning. There's always room for growth, okay? We all don't know it. So let's just watch as I do it. Like I always tell y'all, I use my Ruby Kiss powder, dark. I think I should put the link in the bio, but in the description. If y'all want me to link it, I can link it. I always use my Ruby Kiss powder to literally put that everywhere on my edges. I'm telling y'all, that's the secret to my blending my lace. If y'all didn't know, now you know. But if you apply that powder on your lace, baby, and you put some spray on it, that thing would disappear. Tie it up for 30 minutes and it be gone, okay? The more you apply, the more blended it gets, okay? That's literally the secret to blending your lace. Powder, spray. I don't like spraying mine directly on my lace because then it get everywhere, then I have to clean it up, then that's extra work. But that's literally the secret to blending your lace. I do that everywhere, and baby, everywhere. Apply it. Then once you get done, you tie it up. While you tie it up, go like spray your hair, hot comb it, and I promise you that baby will come out. You can find no lace, okay? And also hot comb. I always tell you, I be burning the shit out of my hair with hot comb. But what is life without hot comb? What is hair without hot comb? What is a late frontal without hot comb? What is what? Baby hair. Oh yeah, I did baby hair. Terrible idea. And y'all know that's not my occupation. But I try a little bit of some. Don't make fun of me. When I got done with that hair, I cleaned everything up, looking very nice. Yeah, this was me embarrassing my head to self to do baby hair. Don't laugh at me, just keep watching.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else.
Hey guys, this was the only baby hair I could do. And again, I went in back with a powder and blend the lace, okay? The lace gonna be lacy here and there, but the front part, you're not gonna see no lace. What lace? I'm such a clown, I can't take myself serious. But no, for real though, use that powder to blend your lace and spray it, tie it up, go put condition, mousse, everything in your curly hair. And when you get done, go do your makeup. That lace will be gone, okay? That's all I do for my hair. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave it in the question box, okay? Let's just watch to the end. Yeah, here I show y'all, like I always tell you, I use condition, mousse, sometimes the spray, just to let you know. If you use too much spray in your hair, in your curls, when you get done, the curl's gonna be tight and it's gonna stay like that. But if you just use mousse and what's that thing called? Mousse and condition, it'll be more fluffy. So don't use too much spray. Don't use too much the got to be spray. Don't use too much of that, because when you get done, that shit is just gonna be just like that. But when I got done, I tied up, I did my makeup, laid my little edge down because it was acting up, and that was it. Okay, if you're watching the end, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Support sister, okay? So watching.
The nigga way that you bang bang yo, yeah you bang bang me. The nigga way that you bang bang yo.